Hello and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. A rather quiet day, as you would expect it from a Saturday. Not much going on today, but the price has given us a small upside reaction to our support area. And I don't really like the way this is coming off the Friday low. But honestly, you could, again, this is trying to find something clear here, but which we don't have much clarity here right now. Not on the, in terms of the nanostructures, they are just too small to be reliable. It's weekend and everything. So we don't normally get much follow through, but you could call it a 5-wave move up. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and then maybe here an A, I don't know, maybe B, C. So it could come down. As long as it's holding above the Friday low, we might actually see some upside follow through. So, at least the levels are very, very clear. I'm just saying, this is an idea, not more than that. It's not really meaningful, this movement on a Saturday. And again, it's a bit small, this reaction to Fibonacci support. But levels haven't changed. The context is pretty positive. Okay, so I like the overall chart context, given that we've seen here from the 15th of July low, so from the Tuesday low, we've seen a 5-wave move up in wave 1, and then an A, B, C structure in wave 2. And now, this is basically a good context, positive context, and then also the larger time frame in which the trend is still up. So just tracking possibly here a corrective pullback in an upside impulse. As you know, there are several Fibonacci support levels that we talked about in the previous videos. Especially relevant in the very, very short term, this area here around the 78.6 retracement at $116,670. So we are holding above that level right now, and the price might have bottomed, but then if we have bottomed, it's too early to confirm. Someone asked me earlier today, what would be the evidence that we need to confirm that we've bottomed there? Because I think I said in the last video, there's just not enough evidence that we've bottomed in wave 2. Well, it's a 5-wave move up above resistance normally. So what we want to see in this case, actually, there is a potential micro 5-wave move up, but it's just too small. So what I want to see is a break above this wave 1 high. Typically, we have in Elliott Wave, 3 degrees of confirmation, right? So first, we had this downturn. So the evidence was 5 waves up. Okay, first confirmation that we're turning around to the upside. Second confirmation is holding a higher low here. But it's not even confirmed that this is holding. And the third confirmation then is obviously here the break above the first 5-wave move up. That's what we need. And now that doesn't mean that you want to wait for confirmation until you make a trade. That's a completely different question. But from an analysis point of view, to confirm we've bottomed, it's too early. Okay, but you've got all the levels. Nearest support area here, $117,920 to $116,670. And below that area, we've got the invalidation point for the 1-2 setup. That's located here at 115,745. And then we've got these 2 additional support levels there. But below 113,800, the structure is starting to shift, and I would really need to reinterpret the chart. But as long as we're holding above that level, we could still be in some kind of an upside impulse. Just the difference is that above the red line, we could have already bottomed in the wave 4, which started here on the 14th of July. But below that, we are still going to watch for a wave 4 low. So it's basically a reset of the wave 4. But that could all still be within the uptrend that started a while ago, all still within a bull market, and all still within an upside impulse. And I think behavior over the weekend, structure that we see, pretty positive, I think, support levels are holding, pullbacks across the sector, currently holding support, not only on the Bitcoin chart, but the altcoins as well, which is, I think, fairly positive. So that's the update on Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.